I've followed a lot of Dave Ramsey. I've listened to Grant Cardone too.
Yeah.
Both of them teach the same policies ultimately of live on a small budget, become debt. Dave Ramsey's be debt free. Grant Cardone's like leverage. If you live on a small budget and invest the rest of your money and realize money is not yours, it's a tool, then you're going to have a lot more money, because just simply taking, again, a little bit of your money all the time instead of having the coolest car, eventually you're going to have the coolest car.
Well, and as Caleb, the asset that's producing money is what you're after. You're looking for the asset that's producing enough to afford the luxuries, not getting the luxury and trying to figure out how to deal with the luxury. You've got a $150,000 Lamborghini, or you've got a $150,000 rental property, and the rental property is paying you $1,100 a month. And once that's paid for, you can afford the Lamborghini. I think you really have that concept down, because a lot of people miss that. They always look for the reward for themselves first. They look for the instant gratification, or at least the annual gratification that gives them what they want before they have to give it, before they have built the reality that pays them that every month.